Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to place stitch holes evenly along a curved line in Adobe Illustrator. Now, the easiest way is usually using a dash stroke, but if you really want actual circles on the path, the best trick is a script called Dup Along the Path. I've dropped the download link in the description for you. Once you've downloaded it, just copy and paste it into the script folder. Then restart Illustrator. Go to Edit, Preferences, and switch all the units to millimeters. Next, draw a small circle and your path. For stitch holes, 1 millimeter works perfectly. Select both the circle and the path. Then go to File, Scripts, and choose Dup Along the Path. In the panel, set the fluctuation range to 0. By default, the interval unit is in points, so you'll need to convert. For example, 4 mm equals about 11.339 points. Enter that value, hit OK, and boom, you've got perfectly spaced stitch holes ready for your pattern.